This is Gary Atensi with CNTV, and today we're in Brighton, Colorado. I'm here with the founder and owner of Task Networking. Since 2010, they have been the premier provider of IT solutions for the Denver metro area as well as the surrounding areas. First of all, why don't you share with the viewers out there, Troy, what got you involved in this type of industry?
Oh, I always had a passion for technology, and I was working for corporate America, and just decided to do the entrepreneur thing, and I went for it.
Wonderful. Let me ask you this. Nowadays with technology, literally data and communications, it's at our fingertips. But as a business owner, the minute something can go down or go wrong, basically our hands are tied. Why is this type of solution, service you're providing, more important today possibly than ever before?
Well, these natural disasters and theft and things like that, it's very important to have a disaster recovery type plan in order. Basically, you need to be able to work from home or wherever you might need to be, and we help provide that solution to our customers.
Company out there is just starting out. Basically, maybe they need you to come in from the get-go. Are you able to provide the design and that initial plan for them?
Absolutely. That's what we specialize in, is network infrastructure. So yeah, we can come right in.
What takes place at that point? Are we talking about a consultation, an initial assessment?
Yes, well, it depends on if they have existing equipment that they want to integrate, if they have an existing network, if they want to upgrade, or if they need to start over. So yeah, there's definitely a consultation involved, and we need to find out exactly what they want to do, where they're at, and we can help them plan their technology so they can be successful.
Speaking of successful, once you got that design in place, obviously the implementation is what really makes it successful. Are we talking about a 24/7 monitoring that you're able to provide?
Absolutely. We do 24/7 monitoring, spam protection. We cover a lot of bases, but yeah, we can do that.
As far as the initial plan goes, a lot of times you probably see companies that come in with this first initial plan, but maybe they don't have something that's scalable, that can grow with them and change. Is this something that you provide?
Yes, absolutely. Matter of fact, we try to overbuild just for that reason. I can't tell you how many times we've gone into companies and they're stuck with the infrastructure that they have. With the guy or the team before us never thought about upgrading them or their growth. So we can definitely help them in that, and we do plan for that in advance.
We're talking about data here, so obviously we're talking about confidentiality issues. We're talking about things that can get hacked into, not only for the customers, but their clients as well. Yes. How important is this network security management that you provide?
It is very important. We are dealing with the medical offices and the HIPAA compliance thing coming up now with the Obamacare passing. It is so important, and we work with other companies that we partner with, that we team with, that they come in and do a brute force attack, or they come in and do a network security on the inside, and we find out exactly where all their weaknesses are and stuff like that, especially for HIPAA compliance and PCI and things like that. Yeah, we can definitely help in that.
Take care of all that. What about a lot of times, I imagine after your assessment, you just put a design together, you find out they may need some hardware basically to add to that. Is the hardware point of it, is that something you guys provide straight through your company as well?
It depends on how large it is. Most of the time, though, we just introduce them to our suppliers, and they get great prices that way. So
you have partnerships in that way?
Absolutely. You can't do it alone.
Well, is there a benefit to them as far as going with a partner that you guys have on board with you?
Yeah, absolutely. Let's say something drastic happens to our company and we're not able to supply their needs anymore. They still have those contacts that we've introduced them to, and so that business continuity there is very important for our customers.
I know a lot of companies out there anymore, you can rent you a small office anymore because of technology and really run a large corporation out of it. Many times they don't want the hardware in-house, they don't need it in-house. Tell me about virtualization, what that is for the consumers.
That goes two ways. Virtualization you can either use in-house. The thing with that is you can do more with less, basically what that means. And it's easier for backup and disaster recovery solutions. Or you can do a hosted, an off-site solution where the cloud, the buzzword nowadays, and so we can help them get in a data center where they can get access to other things. There's kind of two sides of that.
So really an offsite is